So today in this video we'll see group planning exercise which is conducted at SSB interview with a solved example. So let's see. The group planning exercise is conducted basically to check the reactions and speaking and discussion and acceptance of team views capabilities of a candidate. They also see planning abilities when they are put under pressure with very short resources. It is conducted by the GTO. Time to introduce model and situation is about 10 minutes, which is done by the GTO, and the candidates are given a story card. And this story card is taken after 10 minutes, first 10 minutes. Thereafter, they are given 10 minutes time to write the story, and a story is then submitted. And then there's a group discussion for about 45 minutes to come to a final story, because every candidate writes a different story. So this discussion is conducted by the candidates themselves, and they arrive at a final plan, and then one candidate is selected to present the plan for about 5 minutes. So the total activity will be about 1 hour plus. So this is how this group planning exercise is conducted. It is an outdoor activity. Now in group planning exercise, basically there's a model and a narrative paper, which I already told you. And in the narrative, there are 4 problems given. Normally there are 4 problems. One is a major serious problem. Then second one is also a very serious problem. Third one is lesser serious problem. Their individual natures. And fourth one is generally does not involve loss of any human life. So first 2 are basically involving major accidents or something, and last 2 ones are basically individual problems. So this is how you'll find 3 or 4 prong problems, and resources are very few, time is very limited. So how to do well? So when you are seeing the model, note down the distances, roads and tracks, direction of flow of rivers, etc., because this will help you in working out the timings. Timings are most important. Then identify all the resources at your disposal, and you can assume also certain practical resources, like if there's a petrol pump, there has to be a telephone. So like that, if there's a main road, then you'll find some buses and cars plying on that, so you can bank on their availability. Then you can write your solution with confidence, because there are no right or wrong solutions. It's only the priorities which can differ, or timings can differ, but task can be completed if you think logically. Then most important is actively participate in group discussion. Remember that group discussion carries more marks than any other activity. And also accept others' plan during discussion. Don't fight for your plan. Accept others' plan, cooperate, and try to be the person who presents the plan, because this carries maximum marks. Now, what is GTO watching in the whole activity? Firstly, he'll see the workability of your plan. What you submit, he'll just check if it is workable or not workable. Then how you are taking part in group discussion. This is most important. Then the person who is chosen to give out a plan by the candidates, he scores maximum marks and attention from the GTO. Your work as team member with different people. So this is what actually GTO is observing. To be brief, he is basically watching your group discussion abilities and your capability to formulate a final plan and present it. Now we'll see one solved example. So first of all, I'll introduce the model. In this model, basically we go from one direction to other direction. So let's cover the landmarks. Azad Nagar, petrol pump, tea shop, road going to Grudge Town, Shamli Jungle, rice khet, boat club, Azad railway station, and a police station, and I missed out on this hospital. So these are the major landmarks: police station, Azad Nagar, hospital, petrol pump, tea shop, Grudge, Shamli Jungle, rice khet, Azad railway station, and in between there is a boat club. Now important roads. The important roads are road from Azad railway station to Grudge. Then there are roads from Boat Club to Azad Nagar, and there's a road which is coming from main road to Azad railway station. So these are the major landmarks. There's a terrain in general is flat. There's a railway line, and alongside railway line there's cultivation of rice, which is called rice khet. And then other side of railway line there's actually canal, and there's a jungle which is called Shamli jungles. So this is how your model is on ground. So let's see next the situation. Now situation is like this: Ram and his 5 friends are going for sightseeing to Grudge Town by road. Around 7:30 their vehicle breaks down, and they stop near petrol pump, which is about 15 kilometers from the Azad Nagar city. Is about 15 kilometers. Now while they are having tea, they come across 4 problems. The problem 1 is that there's a train coming here, and it might be attacked by the miscreants hiding here. Then second problem is there are few people who are injured here to be provided medical aid. Then third problem is there's a boy who is sinking in this area, Boat Club. And fourth problem is there's a cow which is stranded here. So these are the main problems which they come across during this time. So this is what we have given in the narrative, and we also mentioned the timings of rescue of each situation. So while they were having tea, they were told about the problems, and then Ram, being the leader, he decides for the solution. Now when they go to petrol pump, they find that the phones are not working and mobiles are also not working. There's a bicycle available, and at Azad Nagar there's a police station and a hospital. And the passenger train from Grudge to Azad railway station is already on its way and will reach by 9 a.m. Time now is 7:30. So they have roughly about 1.5 hours time to take care of this train, and injured people to be provided medical aid within 1.5 to 2 hours. So now question is how you manage the situation. You have to write a solution for this. So I have indicated the problem here, the issues here, that there's a train which is coming. The likely time of arrival near Shamli jungles is 8:55 a.m. and it will reach the station by about 9 a.m. Then there are injured people who are to be provided medical aid within 1.5 to 2 hours time. Then there's a boy at Boat Club who needs help, and there's a cow which is stuck up. And distances are this place to this place is about 3 kilometers, and from petrol pump to injured man is about 5 kilometers, and petrol pump to railway station is about 15-16 kilometers. Then petrol pump to police station is about 17 kilometers. Petrol pump to hospital is about 7 kilometers. Boat Club is 4 kilometers. This is 4 kilometers, and Rice Khet via Boat Club is about another 2 kilometers. That is 6 kilometers. So these are the major distances. Now resources. Now when you write think of resources, you don't have to write as part of your plan to be submitted, otherwise you'll not be able to complete the plan. So your resources basically Ram and his 5 friends, then petrol pump, railway station, police station, hospital of Azad Nagar, they are also your resource. Bicycle which is available at petrol pump is also your resource. Motorbike with rider who is coming from Grudge side and who has informed you about that the people who are injured there by the terrorist, by the miscreants. So he is also your resource. You can always bank on his bike. Then villager who has come and informed that his cow is stuck up in a rice field area, rice khet area. He is also one of your resource. Then girl who has come for help from Boat Club to save his brother is also one of your resource. 4 vehicle in which Ram and his friends were traveling will be available only after 1 p.m. So this is also one of the resource, but available only after 1 o'clock. Now, as per timing given, everything is required to be completed by 2 to 2.5 hours. So probably this vehicle is not available for use. Now, distances. The important distances, again, this is not part of solution. Petrol pump and tea shop, they are co-located. If you see the model, they are almost co-located. Then railway station is 15 kilometers. Then railway station to Shamli Jungle is 16 kilometers. Petrol pump to Shamli Jungle 3 kilometers. Police station is about 17 kilometers. Hospital from petrol pump is about 7 kilometers. Then again hospital from petrol pump is about 4 kilometers. And rice khet from petrol pump is about 6 kilometers. All the distances are with respect to petrol pump and tea shop. Now, travel timings, again, these are not part of your solution, but you should practice writing these solutions as per these timings. That if you are going by foot on a track, the speed is 5 km per hour. If you are going by foot without any track, it is 3 km per hour. On bicycle, you travel 10 km per hour. On motorcycle, you travel 30 km per hour. And in a vehicle, you go about 40 km per hour. So these are the important timings, and you can vary these timings, but make sure that everywhere the similar timings are applied. Otherwise, you'll find that in your solution, you're at one place you are saying that so and so will reach in 10 minutes, and other place you're saying that so and so will reach in 30 minutes using same resource. So just to avoid that mismatch, it is better to have these timings at back of your mind. Now, solution. Now here we go about the solution. In the answer sheet, you have to first write the task priority wise: priority 1, priority 2, priority 3, priority 4. So in priority of the task, safety of passenger train, which is likely to be attacked by miscreants at Shamli Jungle, is the first priority. And train will reach station by 9 a.m. and it will cross Shamli jungles by about 8:55 a.m. Then priority 2 task is, again, human life is involved, medical aid to injured people within 1.5 to 2 hours and arrest of miscreants. And priority 3 task identified is where life is not so much at risk, is rescue of stranded boy at boat club. And priority 4 task is rescue of the cow in the mud. This is more of a welfare of a poor man. So these are the 4 tasks which have been identified, and this you have to write in your answer sheet. And then you have to write the details in the answer sheet. Like priority 1 task, safety of passenger train. So what I suggest is, how I formulated this plan is, I made 4 headings: resources and plan, start time, time available, completion time. So these are the 4 headings I have planned. So priority 1, safety of passenger train. The resource and plan. As I told you, the train will cross Shamli jungles by 8:55 a.m. You can see the area. Here it is coming by around 8:55 a.m. and we are located here. So the rough plan is that from here, one person on bicycle will go to railway station and 2 men on foot will go here with a red cloth to stop the train. They'll try to stop the train. So train will cross Shamli jungles by 8:55 a.m. and reach station by 9 a.m. So we use motorbike and 1 man to go to station master and 2 men to go to railway line on foot with a red cloth to stop the train. Start time is 7:45 a.m. because 7:30 our vehicle broke down, and then 10-15 minutes will take to capture the situation. Now we have time available is about 1 hour to be completed by 8:45 a.m. before the train enters Shamli jungle by 8:55. And if we take the completion time by the distances and resources available, so the party which is going with flag to railway line near Shamli jungles will reach by 8:45 a.m. and is likely to stop the train by showing the red flag. And party which is going on motorbike will reach railway station and inform station master to stop the train by 8:30 a.m. So we are using double resources to ensure that there is no accident which takes place. So Again the same thing is shown here. Now time and distance. Now this need not be part of your solution. Now we'll just work out that how we come to the timings of 8:45 and like we have mentioned here 8:45 am and 8:30 am. So distance to station is about 15 kilometers. This will take approximately 15 minutes time to travel on a motorcycle. Then add another 15 to 30 minutes to approach station master. So say in 45 minutes time you will be able to inform the station master. This is the fastest way because phones are not available. And the second party which is going on foot to track will just walk down from tea stall to Shamli jungles, from here to here, which is about 3 kilometers, and will take about 1 hour's time. So that's how we come to these timings 8:45 and 8:30. So in your actual answer you will write only this much. The other detailing is actually just for your calculation and references. So this time and distance you need not write. If your time you think you can write, but otherwise don't write so much, because otherwise you'll run short of time to complete all the 4 tasks. The second priority is medical aid to people who are injured on road towards grudge and arrest of miscreants. The resources and plan. The man on bicycle who came from grudge side to inform that the people who are injured by the miscreant will be requested, and one of Ram's friend will sit on the bike and go to hospital, which is in Azad Nagar town, and then go to police station to seek the help. From here he'll go here and then go here. So time now is 7:55 am, because at 7:45 we were sorting out the train. So now it is 10 minutes gap, and time available for us is 1.5 to 2 hours to be completed by 9:55 am. So when we send people on motorcycle and this thing, so to inform the authorities, and then the authorities they mobilize their resources and all, so it will be about 1.5 to, we anticipate that we'll be able to complete the task by 9:45 am. Now how we work out come to this time and space calculation. So just recapitulate here. These are the injured people. Sorry. So these are the people who are injured. This petrol pump, police station, hospital, police station, and there's a bike here. Police station is about 17 kilometers and hospital is about 7 kilometers. So on bicycle it will take 1 hour to inform the hospital, and another 1 hour 30 minutes to inform police station. Sorry, I think earlier I told you that we are using motorcycle. We are not using motorcycle, we are using a bicycle. And medical aid will take another 45 minutes time to reach the spot, and time required is 1 hour 45 minutes. And police will mobilize and arrest the miscreants simultaneously. So we will be able to complete the task within 2 hours if you see this time and space. So let's go to third task, rescue of the boy at boat club. So our resources and plan, 2 friends and girl who came from boat club will go to boat club on foot and use a boat from boat club to reach the boy. So time now is 8 o'clock, and this is to be completed at the earliest, and we anticipate that this can be completed by 8:25 am. So just see, this is petrol pump, and here is the boat club. This is about 4 kilometers. So these people will go from here to here and then take a boat and go inside. So rescue a boy at boat club, time and distance. Again, this need not be part of your solution. It will take about 55 minutes to reach boat club by foot, which is about 4 kilometers, and 1 hour to reach the deep water in another boat, and 30 minutes for rescue. So it will take nearly 2 hours 25 minutes, or 2.5 hours. So this is how we rescue the boy. Then priority 4 is help to rescue the cow. So resources and plan. One friend and villager will go to rice khet on foot to rescue the cow, and then other two friends from boat club will join them. Time now is about 8:10 a.m. This to be completed earliest, and we anticipate this will be completed by 8:25 a.m. So this is the cow. Girl and two people have already gone there. Villager and one person will move straight here, and these people, after completion of thing, they will also join here. So this is how it is. Time and distance, it will take 1 hour 15 minutes time to reach the rice khet, which is about 6 kilometers, and 2 hours for rescue. So total 3 hour 15 minutes time is required. So with that, we will be able to complete this thing by 11:25 am. This is the last task which is going to be completed. So now to conclude the whole thing, that vehicle repairs actually started at 8:45 am and likely to be completed by 1 pm. We have completed all the priority 1 to priority 4 tasks. So after all the tasks are over and vehicle is still under repair, so as a happy team members, they go to boat club to do boat ride. And by lunchtime, vehicle was ready, so they resumed their journey to Grudge for sightseeing. Since the time is short, so they cut down the sightseeing plan points. Now when I wrote this kind of solution during my SSB, so some people started laughing that after so much trauma and trouble, you are still thinking of going for sightseeing and doing the boat ride, etc. But then the quality of leadership is that you should not get broken down with problems. So at the end of your story, wherever you are going, you have to continue doing that and complete the thing in a happy manner. So this is how I conclude the whole thing. Now likely questions you are going to confront during discussion. Why did you send your friends to jungle to stop the train when miscreants are hiding there? Where did you get red cloth from? Why have you not made much effort to use phones to save time? To rescue injured people, where will you go first? To police or to hospital? Then what danger you perceive when boy is stranded in a boat? Why arrest of miscreants is not given a separate priority task? So these are the kind of questions which you are going to face in the group discussion. So hope this is meaningful and you understood the technique of writing MPE. So thank you very much for watching. Thanks.